Hello, class of EDUU 527. My name is Giselle Garcia, and this is my journal number 7 for the course. In this week's journal, I will discuss what is designated ELD, what is integrated ELD, and the goals for each one. I will also discuss the similarities and differences between the two instructional models and how they use standards and objectives differently, how the grouping might differ, and I will also discuss how to use these models in your teaching. Designated ELD instruction is provided to ELL students during a designated school time, which focuses on state-adopted standards that will help ELL students acquire and develop critical English language skills that are necessary for their academic success in English content. The main goal of designated ELD is to assist students in English language proficiency and achieve the level of native speakers. Learning objectives for designated ELD come directly from TESOL and the State Department of Education. Integrated ELD is instruction provided to ELL students based on state-adopted ELD standards, and they are paired with state-adopted academic content standards during regular content lessons. Integrated ELD includes specifically designated academic instruction in English. The goal of integrated ELD is for the ELL students to acquire and learn academic content and language in English. The learning objective of integrated ELD come directly from the content standards being taught. Similarities between designated and integrated ELD include that they are both under the same Tier 1 instruction component, and both of them help students develop English language proficiency. One difference between designated and integrated ELD is that designated instruction is in addition to content lessons, and this time is also protected to ensure that targeted English language proficiency levels are developed. Designated ELD grouping differs based on proficiency levels to ensure that all students receive the English language they need and express knowledge. Instruction strategies might differ from integrated ELD depending on the content area that is being taught. Some ways to use designated ELD model in teaching include the focus on academic English language, focus on meaning, and focus on forms. Focus on teaching the same content but with text simplicity or simplified words, or for example, this can be like teaching vocabulary definitions, teaching text features, focusing on grammatical structure or text organization. Some ways to use integrated ELD model in teaching include the teaching of new content, new vocabulary in all subject areas, and using SDAIE strategies also to support building content knowledge and academic language is how we will see integrated ELD model in the instruction. This is all that I have for this week's journal. Thank you.